Most people think it's only worth 25 cents, but collectors know a different story. The 1968 Washington quarter can be worth real money if it's in high-grade, proof condition, or has a true mint error. In this video, I'll show you the exact things to check: the mint mark, the shine and sharp details, and the rare mistakes that can push value higher, like doubling, off-center strikes, clipped planchets, and even wrong metal strikes. So don't skip, stay with me till the end. Because one tiny detail can turn an ordinary quarter into a coin people actually pay for. Now let's begin with the first clue that changes everything: the mint mark. That 1968 quarter in your pocket might not be just 25 cents. The 1968 United States Washington quarter is one of the first quarters made after America removed silver from regular circulation coins. But here's what most people don't know: some 1968 quarters can still be worth far more than face value. Let's break it down clearly and powerfully. First, understand this: most 1968 quarters are made of copper and nickel. They are not silver like pre-1965 quarters. So silver content alone does not make them valuable. But value does not come only from silver. Value comes from condition, mint mark, rarity, and mint errors. Let's start with circulated coins. If your 1968 quarter has been used in everyday life, with scratches, worn details, dull color, and smooth high points, it is considered circulated. In average circulated condition, a 1968 quarter is usually worth about 25 cents to $1. However, if the coin is in better circulated condition with stronger details, it may sell for $1 to $3 to a collector who needs that date. Now let's move to where money starts to increase: uncirculated condition. An uncirculated 1968 quarter has no wear on Washington's hair, no flattening on the eagle's feathers, and strong mint luster. The coin looks bright and sharp. An uncirculated 1968 quarter from the Philadelphia Mint, which has no mint mark, can sell between $5 and $15 depending on grade. A higher grade example, graded MS-65 or above, can sell between $20 and $50. Now here is something important. In 1968, the mint mark moved to the front of the coin for the first time, located just to the right of Washington's ponytail. You may see a D for Denver or an S for San Francisco. A 1968 D quarter in uncirculated condition can sell between $5 and $20 depending on grade. But here is where things get interesting. The 1968 S quarter was struck as a proof coin. Proof coins were specially made for collectors. They have mirror-like fields and sharp details. A standard 1968 S proof quarter is usually worth $5 to $15 in normal proof condition. But if the proof coin is in deep cameo condition with strong contrast, the value can rise to $25 to $100 depending on grade. Now let's talk about high-value errors. This is where serious money can appear. If your 1968 quarter has a double die error, where letters or numbers appear doubled from the original die, the value can jump to $50, $100, or even several $100s depending on strength. Off-center strike errors, where part of the design is missing due to misalignment during striking, can sell for $50 to $300 depending on how dramatic the error is. Clipped planchet errors, where part of the coin is missing due to a cutting mistake at the mint, can bring $30 to $150. A coin struck on the wrong metal planchet is rare and extremely valuable. A wrong planchet 1968 quarter can sell for $1,000 or more. Now let's discuss one important possibility collectors search for. Some 1968 quarters have been found struck on leftover silver planchets by mistake, though extremely rare. If authenticated, such a coin could bring several $1,000s. But remember, testing and professional authentication are required for such claims. Another valuable feature is full strike detail. Collectors look for coins with strong detail on Washington's hair and sharp eagle feathers. Better strike quality can increase value significantly in high grades. Now here is the key truth: condition creates value. A heavily worn 1968 quarter is usually just face value. A bright, uncirculated example can be worth $10 to $50. A high-grade proof coin can reach $100. A major mint error can reach hundreds or even thousands. Before you sell, never clean your coin. Cleaning destroys collector value instantly. Keep the coin in its original condition. Store it in a protective holder. Avoid scratches and moisture. If you believe you have a rare error or extremely high-grade coin, consider professional grading for accurate value. The difference between 25 cents and $2,000 is knowledge. So take out your 1968 quarter. Check the mint mark. Check the condition. Look for doubling. Look for off-center strikes. Look for unusual weight or metal color. Because sometimes, the smallest coin in your pocket holds the biggest surprise. And the next quarter you check might be the one worth real money.